Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a professional LinkedIn banner using Canva. A well-designed LinkedIn banner can make a great first impression and boost your personal brand. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button and type LinkedIn Banner in the search bar. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates for LinkedIn banners. Browse through the options and choose one that best fits your personal brand or the message you want to convey. For this tutorial, I'll select a clean and professional template. Remember, you can always customize it later. Customize your banner. Now, let's start customizing our banner. First, we'll change the background image. Upload your own image or choose one from Canva's extensive library of stock photos, then click Replace Background. Make sure your image is high quality and relevant to your professional field. Next, let's edit the text. Double-click on the text boxes to enter your own information. Add your name, job title, and any other relevant details. You can change the font style, size, and color to match your personal branding. Don't forget to add your logo or any other branding elements. You can upload your logo by clicking on the Uploads tab and dragging your logo into the design. Position it where it looks best. Final touches and download your banner. For the final touches, make sure everything is aligned and visually appealing. You can use Canva's alignment tools to help with this. Also, consider adding some subtle design elements like lines or shapes to make your banner stand out even more. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your banner. Click on the Share button at the top right corner and select PNG for the best quality, then hit Download button. And there you have it, a professional LinkedIn banner designed in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.